Oh no, you've reached your time limit. Do you A, ignore the limit, or B, put your phone down? If you're me, you're gonna ignore the limit. And when the screen pops up, you're gonna ignore the limit for the whole day. But basically, time limit and me equals stressing and cramming, and time limit does not work for me. Features like screen time, do not disturb, and focus never worked for me because I would always find a way to disable it or just turn it off. But over years of trial and error and trying to explore, I found 5 of the best tips and tricks that help me stay focused and punctual with my studying. And if you want to learn, follow along. Let's get it. My first tip for you is to list out a plan or time block. When I studied, I had no plan, no overarching blueprint for what I had to finish and accomplish for the day. I told myself, oh, I'll do this later because I can finish it in an hour. But what ends up happening is you either don't even start the activity or you don't finish it on time. So before you start studying, take maybe 10 minutes to list out what you need to do and the anticipated time it will take to do the activity. Additionally, when you time block, give yourself deadlines, which again helps you stay on track. The 2 resources I recommend is Notion and Google. They're both free and they're websites. Not sponsored. My second tip is to change your study atmosphere or your studying position. For hours on end, I would sit like a literal shrimp at my desk. Like my back made a perfect parabola. I had the worst posture ever. I was hunchbacked, exhausted, lazy. The more I just sat there, the more I curled and the more unmotivated I got. Likewise, my productivity and efficiency declined. So I started changing my studying environments. I started standing. I moved to different rooms in my house. I went outside. I went to the library. And I found that changing atmospheres really helped me stay awake and focused. In fact, there's also lots of studies that show that changing locations can help you retain information because your brain can create different associations to the material you're learning. My third tip for you is to use different studying methods. People, when they're studying, tend to stick to one method. Like me, I always resorted to typing my notes because it was so much faster. Typing ASMR. But I found that after 5 hours of just typing and typing over the same things, mitosis and meiosis and myposis and mybosis and all the other oses out there, I got burnt out really quickly. Switching up studying methods gives your brain a new activity. Instead of sticking to one method, why don't you try maybe grabbing a notebook and writing in it for once, or maybe using a whiteboard, or old-fashioned a chalkboard. Changing methods allows you to benefit from variety. That was literally so poetic. My fourth tip might sound kind of stupid, but chew gum. Chewing gum has shown to be beneficial in many ways because it can increase feelings of relaxation, enhance attention, reduce stress levels, and improve memory through association with flavor. This increase in alertness not only helps with memorization of information, but it can relieve anxiety and boost productivity. My fifth tip for you is to give yourself breaks. If you get nothing from this video and you've been zoned out the entire time, remember that sitting there and studying for 6 hours straight is just not it. It's the fastest way to get burnt out, lower productivity, and self-confidence. The more you sit there, the more your attention and focus decreases. You become exhausted so easily. Not even joking, I would get 50 steps per day when I was studying 6 hours straight. So yes, even if you are cramming and it seems like the end of the world, you need to give yourself breaks, whether they be 5 minutes or 20 minutes. Breaks will help you relax and refresh your brain and energy. Some good brain break activities include going outside for a walk, chasing your dog in the backyard, watering your turtle, cleaning your room, power napping, reading, doing a yoga session, but don't do anything that's difficult to put down though, like social media, video games, TikTok. So those were my 5 amazing tips. Did you listen? Could you sit through a 4-minute video and listen? If you could, comment down below shrimp back if you did, and I will give a shout out to someone who did it. Also, thank you guys so much for the support on my channel. I really I really appreciate it, and continue to show me support so I can make videos like this. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do that and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye!